Hello everyone, in this video we will see allied angle problems. So in that question, if cos theta is equals to minus 3 divided by 5 where 90 degree less than theta less than 180 degree, then find 5 sin theta plus 3 sec theta divided by 3 tan theta minus 4 cosec theta. So in this type of example, here one trigonometric function value is given. Here which trigonometric function value is given? Cos theta value is given how much? Minus 3 divided by 5, and one condition is given, so that angle theta lies in between what? 90 to 180 degree. So using these two you need to find out this value. Correct? So first 90 degree less than theta less than 180 degree means theta lies in between 90 to 180 degree means second quadrant. So see here in the fourth point you can see 90 less than theta less than 180 is given, means it lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant is there. Therefore first I am going to take one axis. Okay, so in that second quadrant I'm going to draw one right angle triangle. So one right angle triangle, this is the angle theta, means this is opposite side, correct? This is 90 degree means hypotenuse side, and remaining side is what here? Adjacent side, correct? So now, so first take this value, cos theta is equals to, so minus 3 divided by 5. So minus 3 divided by 5, cos theta formula is what? Adjacent side divided by what? Hypotenuse side, correct? So here adjacent side is minus 3. So adjacent side is given how much here? Minus 3. So next hypotenuse side is how much here? 5. So this value is how much here? 5. So now to find out this value you need one more value, that is opposite side, because you don't know opposite side value. Therefore here opposite side I'm going to put question mark. So first step, you need to find out here opposite side value. How to find out opposite side value? This is the right angle triangle. You need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, this hypotenuse square should be equals to what? Opposite square plus adjacent square, correct? Therefore I'm going to write using that Pythagoras theorem, h square is equals to o square plus a square, correct? H square is equals to o square plus a square. But here which value you want? O, means opposite side value you want. Therefore I am going to shift this a square value to left hand side. So that time it is h square, I am going to keep it as it is, plus a square becomes what here? Minus a square is equals to what? O square. Now substitute h value. H means 5 is given. So here 5 square minus a. A is minus 3 square is equals to o square, correct? So now 5 square is how much here? 25 minus 3 square means how much? Because of even power, minus becomes plus, so it is 9 is equals to what here? O square, correct? Therefore o square is equals to 25 minus 9 is how much here? 16. But you need only o value, opposite side value you need. Therefore it implies that o is equals to, it becomes a square root of what here? 16. So perfect square. Therefore opposite value is equals to how much here? 4, correct? Opposite side value is how much? 4. So now you got opposite side value. So now Before finding this entire value, first you need the value of sine, you need the value of sec, you need tan value, you need cosec value, correct? So for that you need to apply the formula. Therefore first I am going to find out all four values here. Therefore sine theta is equals to O opposite divided by hypotenuse side upon h, correct? Opposite how much here? 4. Here I am going to write 4 upon h. So h is how much here? 5. So here I am going to write 5. So next sine theta reverse only, here it is the cosec, so easily you can write. So cosec theta is equals to h divided by o, correct? So h means 5 divided by o means how much here? 4. Okay, so next tan theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite divided by adjacent side, correct? So opposite side is 4 upon adjacent side. Adjacent side is how much here? Minus 3. So minus 3. And last, which value? Sec theta. Sec theta. So cos opposite, reverse order, correct? So h divided by what here? A. So h means 5. Adjacent side is how much here? Minus 3. So 5 divided by what? Minus 3. So now you got all four values. Now we need to find out this value. So I am going to write that. Therefore 5 sine theta, okay, plus 3 sec theta divided by next one 3 tan theta, 3 tan theta minus 4 cosec theta. Now substitute the value is equals to 5. I am going to keep it as it is, a sine value 4 by 5. 4 divided by what here? 5 plus 3. I am going to keep it as it is, sec. What is sec value? 5 divided by minus 3 divided by next 3. I am going to keep it as it is, tan. What is tan? 4 divided by minus 3. 4 upon minus 3. Next middle minus sign. Next 4 I am going to keep it as it is, cosec. Cosec is how much here? 5 divided by what here? 4, correct? So next, which is equals to, you can cancel here 5 and 5. So what is the remaining value? 4. You can cancel 3 and 3, but here inside negative sign, outside positive sign. So plus into minus is what? Minus. So remaining value is how much here? 5 divided by, here you can cancel these 3. So you know plus divided by minus is what? Minus 3. Next minus, cancel these 2. So what is the remaining value here? 5. Therefore which is equals to 4 minus 5 is minus 1 divided by minus 3 minus 5 is how much? Minus 9. So which is equals to minus divided by minus is what? Plus. So final answer is how much here? 1 upon 9. So this is how you need to find out the value, correct? So suppose in this, if they give 0 less than theta less than 90 degree, means if they give this condition 0 less than theta less than 90 degree, that time this same right angle triangle you need to draw in the first quadrant. Suppose if they give this condition 180 less than theta less than 270 means, so that time you have to trace the right angle triangle in the third quadrant. If they give last condition, then you need to draw the right angle triangle in the fourth quadrant. So here two side value they will give. You need to find out one more third side value using which theorem here? Pythagoras theorem. After that you need to find out the values. Once you find out this all the values, substitute the values, simplify, you will get the final answer. So next question. If sec theta is equals to 13 divided by 5, where 3 pi divided by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi, then find the value of 3 sine theta minus 2 cos theta divided by 9 cos theta plus 4 sine theta. Okay, so here first 3 pi divided by 2 means how much degree? 270 degree, less than theta, less than 2 pi means how much degree here? 360 degree. Means this lies in which quadrant? This lies in which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. So first step what you need to do is trace right angle triangle in the fourth quadrant. So here I want to take the axis, okay, XO, here Y dash. So I'm going to draw the right angle triangle in the fourth quadrant. So this is the angle theta, means this is the opposite side. This is 90 degree means hypotenuse side, and remaining side is what? Adjacent side. Correct. So next, which trigonometric function is given? Sec theta. So right here sec theta is equals to, what is the value? 13 divided by how much here? 5. So 13 divided by 5. So sec theta formula is h divided by what? A. Correct. Therefore again which value is question mark here? O is question mark. Correct. H value is given 13. A value is how much here? 5. And opposite side is what? Question mark. So now apply Pythagoras theorem. So h square equals to O square plus A square. Correct. Again O value only you want, therefore shift this value now. So here also h square minus A square is equals to what? O square. Correct. So substitute h value is 13, so it is 13 square minus A value is 5, so it is 5 square is equals to O square. So 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is what? 25 is equals to what here? O square. So 169 minus 25 is 144 is equals to O square. So it implies that O is equals to square root of 144. So that is the perfect square again. That value is how much here? 12. Correct. So finally you got opposite side value how much here? 12. So now we need sine value, cos value. Again cos, okay, only sine and cos value we need. Therefore okay, so before that, see here you got opposite side value is how much here? 12. Means this opposite side value how much you got here? 12. But remember this opposite side value, this side is parallel to which axis here? Y dash. Yes or no? So this opposite side is parallel to Y dash. If you go in the Y dash axis, here all the values are what? Negative. Correct. So because of that reason, after getting positive value, you have to make negative here because of this Y dash. So since opposite side is okay parallel to Y dash, okay, Y dash, therefore opposite is equals to minus 12. Getting why you have to make a negative here? Because this line is parallel to Y dash. Here Y dash all the values are negative, so because of that reason opposite side also becomes what here? Negative sign. But in the previous example, you can see here which value you got? Opposite side value how much here? 4. But we are keeping here positive only because this line, opposite side line, is parallel to which axis here? Y axis. Correct. In Y axis all the values are what here? Remains positive. So because of that reason we kept here opposite side positive only. But here we need to make negative. So because of y dash. Correct. So now find out sine and cos value. Therefore sine theta is equals to O upon H, opposite how much, minus 12 divided by H value is how much, 13. Next cos theta. Next is what, cos theta, A upon H. A adjacent side value is 5 divided by H value is how much here, 13. H value how much here, 13. Correct. So you got both the values. Now take this value now. Therefore, because you need to find out this value, therefore first is 3 into sine theta, next minus 2 into cos theta, 2 into cos theta divided by 9 into cos theta, 9 into cos theta plus 4 into sine theta, plus 4 into sine theta. Correct. So which is equals to 3. I am going to keep it as it is. Substitute sine theta. Sine theta is what, minus 12 divided by 13. So next minus 2, keep it as it is, cos theta, 5 divided by how much here, 13, divided by 9, keep it as it is, cos theta, 5 divided by 13, next plus 4, keep it as it is, sine minus 12 divided by how much here, 13. So now multiply, right? So 3 into minus 12, correct? 3 into minus 12 is minus 36 divided by how much here, 13. Next minus 5 into 2 is how much here, 10 divided by 13, divided by 9 into 5, 45 divided by 13. Next plus into minus is minus 12 into 4, 48 divided by 13, 48 divided by 13. So next take the LCM in the numerator also and denominator also. So both the side you need to take what here, LCM. So both the denominator values are same. So first numerator LCM is 13, multiply by 1. Here also multiply by 1. So minus 36 into 1 is minus 36, minus 10 into 1 is how much here, 10. Whole divided by, again a denominator LCM is 13. So multiply by 1, multiply by 1. So 45 into 1 is how much, 45, minus 48 into 1 is how much here, 48. So next you can cancel 13 and 13. So which is equals to minus 36 minus 10 is how much here, minus 46, correct, divided by 45 minus 48 is minus 3, correct. So which is equals to minus divided by minus is what, plus. Therefore what is the final answer here, 46 divided by how much here, 3 is the answer. So this is how you need to find out the value. Thank you.